good mood. Now we will learn how to create the building pad or some streets if you have in your project. So I will go now to the ground floor or the site, sorry, and now you can go maybe and create the let's say the floor around this house. So I will go to the outside. Maybe you can now go to architecture, floor, and try to maybe making some offsets here like that. Anyway, maybe we can put some cars in front of that. And also I will go in the same one and create some road here, maybe like that, and go with this semicircle, or let's make copy for these with a certain distance here. Maybe the distance you can play with that. I think you will work on the site plan in this case. Maybe make some turning here. Yes, like that. I can choose that and go all the way like that. Anyway, you can close it here and then try to trim and extend these floors. It is just for showing you. So as you see here, I have this. So how we can adjust this topography in order to be with these roads? Maybe also you can play with the slope of this road, and I will show you how. Maybe if you want to make some modification of that, you will go to modify sub elements. You will select the floor and then modify that. So I will go to these points. For example, maybe we can put -1. No problem for this message, and also -1 here. I think we make some slope for this roads. Okay, this is the first point that I want to show you, but in this tutorial I will go back with the flat road, and I will show you how you can adjust the topography to your road, and then you will get the point. So I will click Ctrl Z to go with the flat, maybe something like that. I don't know what is here happening. Okay, let's click finish and see what happened. Yes, I will click OK and then try to make this 0. Okay, and for the other one I think we have to zoom here, click on that and give it 0. Yes, we get this flat road. So now what is the procedure to adjust our topography to these roads or floors that we have? We didn't make a bed here because we don't have maybe some basement or something like that. Maybe in next videos we can show, and I showed you that in previous video, which is the topo surface tool. You can check it out in our channel. Now let's see how we can adjust this topography. I will click now to the maybe the topography that we have created. I think we go back a lot, so we will go to massing and site also, and sorry, I will go to massing and site and split this surface. Then I will go to maybe from the site. Okay, you can now, I will repeat the process maybe a lot faster. Okay, now we split it the surface. So I will choose now the surface that we have created or split it. Yes, this one. Yeah. and then I will go to edit surface. Now if you know that our floor is maybe the thickness is 20 centimeters, so I will go now to maybe from the side. You can choose all the points, yes, and then I will go with the elevation, but here we have selected something like that. I will go to filter and uncheck the array. This is the array of the table, if you remember, and then for the elevation I will go with minus 0.5. Why minus 0.5? Because I have I want the surface to be a little bit below the let's say the ground. So now we have adjusted the first one, which is the splitted. Maybe you can also remove it, but in order to appear in the section you have to leave it. So I will finish now,